Are you in your 20s, 30s, 40s and looking for sound advice and actionables on your finances? We've got something for you. 20s. This is the time when you've probably gotten your first job. You're right out of college, moving out of your parents' homes, or just moving to a new city. This is the time for you to have fun because YOLO. This is also the time for you to start saving. Remember those exciting colleges abroad that you want to go to? Start a college fund. Try and ensure that you're putting aside some percentage of your income. It helps and comes in use when you need that money. I know it sounds boring. Get a health insurance cover. And I'm sure you're feeling like the mighty Zeus right now. However, pushing that health cover for later not only makes it expensive but also difficult to access. Get into the habit of saving and investing. This will not only help you transition smoothly into your 30s but will also ensure discipline and control on your money. 30s, welcome to the club. If you're 29 years and 11 months old, we know that feeling. Now is the time to step up that tax saving game. Buying a house, buying a car, or just better budgeting. A good rule to follow with your budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% essentials, your rent, utilities, grocery bills, all the mundane, day-to-day basic requirements. 30% for your future, savings and investments that shouldn't be touched once allotted. A discipline to be created and followed diligently. 10% for emergencies. This is your emergency fund jar. Surprises can be unpleasant and cost money to fix. 5% to indulge. Spend on whatever you might want. 5% charity. You should share it and pay it forward. Now go chase those dreams, girl. 40. I hate them already. Let's try and look at the bright side. The faster we get our finances in order, the faster we can retire. This is important, super important. Now is the time to move your money to investments with lower risk. It's not a good time to play with your money and take high risks. With the rising inflation rate, you don't want to be left at this stage with little or no savings. Revisit that health insurance plan we talked about earlier. It also helps you plan your emergency fund for any health emergencies that might arise. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, not saving for your future is not an option. You need to cultivate that habit so you are the queen of your life. Like, share, and subscribe to the Get Paces channel. You could also follow us on various social media handles. See you soon.